all about coffee blossom in Coorg. Coorg coffee comes from a pretty spectacular plant. Not just because it produces the wonderful little seed that makes our favorite beverage, but also because it is a beautiful flowering tree that erupts in bountiful, fragrant coffee flowers each spring. How do Coorg coffee flowers grow? Coorg coffee flowers develop in 7 unique stages. First, green coffee buds develop in small clusters along the nodes of each branch of the coffee tree. In a few days, the green clusters of buds turn white and begin to elongate. The buds then reach what is known as the candle stage, in which coffee flowers are still closed but nearly ready to bloom. Once coffee flowers bloom, they are only open for a day or two before withering and falling from the branch. When flowers wilt, they have reached the end of their pollination period. When the blossom falls off the tree, it leaves behind a small carpel that looks like a tiny, green pinhead. In about 6 to 7 months' time, this little carpel will turn into a coffee cherry with 1 or 2 seeds inside that will become coffee. What do Coorg coffee flowers smell like? In short, Coorg coffee flowers smell heavenly, but not like coffee. At one time, coffee was botanically misclassified and put in the same family as jasmine. It is no wonder this happened, as the two flowers have a similar scent when in full bloom. Coffee flowers also smell a little bit like citrus blossoms, pleasant, sweet, yet mild. Coffee blossom fragrance oil is occasionally used in luxury perfumes and other scented bath and body products, but we recommend seeing and sniffing them in person. When do Coorg coffee flowers bloom? Coffee flowers generally appear a few days to a few weeks after significant rainfall or extended wet weather in Coorg and last for only a few days before withering and falling from the branch to make room for the coffee cherry to grow. The trees typically bloom between late February and May. There will be 1 to 2 big blooms over that period and several smaller blooms in between.